Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add the fair value gap indicator. And if you want to do this, we can take this indicator from LuxAlgo, then it works very good. So what we're going to do is we go right here to library, and then at library we search right here for the fair value gap. Then right now you will find right here a lot of fair value gaps, but the thing that we are interested in is the HDF fair value gap. So we go here to see details, and then right now you see right here all the details from this nice indicator, and you also have right here a video where they explain you how to use it. So that's also awesome. And then right here on the right, you see free access on the following platforms. So we have TradingView, NinjaTrader, and MetaTrader 4 or 5. Thinkorswim is coming soon. So yeah, we can choose it right now. But let's say we do this for TradingView, for example. So we go right here to get access. Right here, they tell you exactly what you need to do, but I will show you that a little bit quicker in this video. So we go to get access right now. If you scroll a little bit down, you see right here, use on chart. We click there on use on chart. And then if you can see right here, we are using now it right here on the chart. So right now he's giving an error right here, and that is because the time frame is too big. So what we're going to do is we click right here on the time frame, and then we change this to 1 hour. Now maybe do it a little bit, maybe something like 10 seconds. And then if you zoom out right here, you see that we are using now here the H value gap right there. So it works, but you need to play a little bit more on the time frame. And this is how you can use right here the fair value gap. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.